Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start on the ladder, position it over a rafter and climb with care. Once in place, remove debris around the slip tile so you can see the clips and mortar. Use gloves and a soft cloth to protect the tile. This prevents cracking. Gently lift the lower edge of the tile above it to relieve pressure. If the tile is nailed, stop and note the nail head. Otherwise, continue to ease it free by levering under the interlock to expose the slip. Once the tile is free, examine its underside. Look for broken hooks or old mortar that failed. Carefully lift the overlapping tile above by a small margin so you can angle the slip tile back into the channel. This alignment is crucial because interlocks transfer loads. If a clip is broken, swap it now or use a thin bead of roofing mortar to bed the tile. Make sure the tile sits flush. Test by pressing near the edge to confirm. You finish by securing the tile with roofing adhesive or a small mortar dab where the tile contacts the batten. This prevents future slips without overgluing. Once cured, inspect the seam and nearby tiles for gaps or displaced underlayment. Water follows the path of least resistance, so look for channels leading into the attic. If you detect a crack, persistent movement, or a leak during a gentle hose test, stop. Replace the tile or call a professional to assess flashing and structural issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.